Here he comes.
He just went the other way. He just went down the side hallway. He might have been on the phone, I think.
Yeah, it looked like he was on the phone and wandered down.
He went down the side hallway. Here he comes. He's coming now.
How you doing? Detective Scoop with the prosecutor's office under the last week. You can stay right here for me. Just keep your hands off out there.
No, I'm killing myself.
Don't! Coming back, coming back, coming back. Hold on, he's coming out. He's coming out. District 5, District 5, we got one at gunpoint. We have one at gunpoint, Dr. James Kaufman.
Put the gun down.
511, I have one at gunpoint, Dr. James Kaufman, he has a weapon.
Put it down.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Just have a search warrant,
Sir! Drop the gun!
Dr. Kaufman, we just have a search warrant.
Just drop the gun, let's talk! Sir, just drop the gun!
Sir, we only have a search warrant. We have a search warrant. You're not under arrest.
Listen.
You're not under your office and your house, your car and your person.
Shit, I don't believe it.
Yes, we do.
No, I'm not going to jail for this.
Sir, we just have search warrants. That's it. Put the weapon down.
No.
Drop the weapon! Listen, let's talk!
I'm going to kill myself.
Listen, let's talk! Sir!
Jim!
Watch this window, watch this window. Watch this window. Alright. He's coming.
To the front door.
Dr. Kaufman, please step out to the curb. Step to the curb. Keep your hands as high as you can. Alright, now slowly reach down and pull your shirt up. Spin around, please. Alright. Face your door. Face your door. Hands up as high as you can. The only way we can guarantee your safety is just keep cooperating, please. Walk backwards. Keep walking backwards. Keep walking backwards, please. Watch that curb.
We're in a crossfire. Back up, back up. Wait, they're moving forward.
Just watch the building to make sure there's no one else still inside.
Get back up on the doors.
Still have to do under order. Okay? We're going to be least intrusive as possible. All right. You have any questions for me?
No, I just didn't appreciate being handcuffed, that's all.
I told them you don't want to get handcuffed. You have shoulder issues.
Right.
You have no weapons on you. Where's the weapon in the residence?
I told him.
Yeah, I already told the SWAT guy.
And is there anyone else in there?
No.
Temporary look at 10-3, everyone come back at PD1.
Only one weapon in there?
Yeah. This is a legal weapon.
Yeah, that's no problem. I don't worry about that. Just wanted to make sure that it ends peacefully today. But thank you for answering my calls. Thank you for talking.
Now what happened?
We're gonna have an ambulance come and just check you out, make sure you're okay.
I'm okay.
This is just procedure. I know you're a doctor, but we have certain things we have to follow.
Okay.
Okay? So just go along with it. Let them check you out. We'll move on to the next step. The SWAT guys are gonna clear the environment there. Any of your keys to your car, to the house, and stuff like that. Do you have that on you?
It's in the office.
It's in the office. Okay. And is there any locked compartments that are in the office? Any safes or anything like that? I searched some houses. Thank you for being cooperative. I'm going to turn you over to
Once they decide to take the cuffs off,
Dr. Kaufman, reference to your residence.
I know, baby. I know.
Keep walking towards us. Go underneath that. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Go down to your knees. Keep your hands wherever you can see them. Anybody else in the house? No, there's one. Volusia County Sheriff's Office, anyone inside the home, come out with your hands up.
Where's the rifles? The rifles are actually in the kitchen, sitting on top of the kitchen counter. I have the 9mm is there, and also the AR-15 is there.
And also the AR-15. They're on the kitchen counter.
On the kitchen. 6 to the 9. You need more units in the area on
front door's locked.